Hey guys, I'm Roxette Arisa, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get these bold feathered brows. Such a pretty brow look because it's very natural, but it still looks like you got, the best brows in the world and you just woke up like this and you're blessed with amazing brows. And I'm going to be using some of my favorite products from e.l.f. Cosmetics to create this look, so just stay tuned to see how I got it. Alright guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is take the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in Neutral Brown. You guys know this is one of my favorites, and I always like to start by spooling through the brows, brushing them up, combing them up, getting them ready to go. Alright, now we have those brows in formation, ready to go, and I'll take the pencil side and start to fill in any sparse areas. I love the tip of this pencil because it's so precise and so tiny that you can create very natural brow strokes. So I'm gonna take the pencil underneath the brow to create a nice little arch, fill in any sparse areas through the tails of the brow. And this pencil is so bomb because the undertone is very neutral. It's not too warm tone, it's not too cool tone, so you can really get those natural brow strokes. You also wanna take this product right underneath the front of the brow and then always blend, blend, blend to get the smooth, natural brows. And this look is super natural, so it's okay if you have that more like bushy look. It doesn't have to be completely perfect, and that's what I love about it. And another thing I love, this new product that I've been using, Wow Brow, because it's so bomb. So it has this tiny little applicator on it, so you can get really nice and precise in the brows. Once again, that's big for me. I love having precision with my products. So what I do with this for this type of look is I will take it through the ends of the brows, brush it up all the way back here through the tail. It helps to define them more because it has some pigment in it. So I'm using the shade Neutral Brown. It has some pigment in it, so it's gonna fill it in, but like in a, natural, I woke up like this sort of way. It doesn't look perfect, but it looks so good. Like, I love it. There we go. We go through the tail with that guy. And then another one of my biggest secrets is using a brow wax. So this is the Shape and Stay Brow Pencil. And I take this and swipe it through the front of the brow, or any area that you really want that lift. I feel like the front of the brow is always the part of my brow that is harder to get to stay up through the day. So this product really helps with that, and that just helps achieve that like super natural bushy look as well. And this Wow Brow is amazing for getting those full brows without having to work too hard. It's a very easy product, super travel friendly, on the go. Yes, honey, if you just want to have some 5-minute brows, you can just swipe some of these in and it gives you that very, like I said, natural, bushy, bold, feathery look. Then again, going in with the Shape and Stay right here at the front to get those babies to lay up straight. Because whenever you're using products that help to keep the brows up and you're brushing the brow hairs up, as always, even when you get to the tail of the brow, that's what's gonna give you that really beautiful feathered but bold look. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Comment down below, let us know what you think. And if you recreate this look, make sure to tag e.l.f. Cosmetics so we can see all your beautiful work.